tough job, but someone's got to do it.
No.
Guys, settle down over there, all right? Jacob, what are you doing?
What? Oh, hi, Eddie.
Right
Oh, hold on. It's pulling up. Yeah, straighten it up. There you go. Oh my God, I hate these buttons. Say
hi to your dad.
Hi, Daddy. I'm the new future millwright. I'm taking your job. So, haha. Put a little motor in this shit and go.
You hear that, Dad? Your son's taking your job.
Pick up one.
Alright. You've done this before?
Once outside my garage, that was a different MIG welding. I'm waiting over there.
Sit down, guys. Sit and relax. Alright? Okay, get yourself positioned.
Where am I going?
Alright. Alright, you're going to do a Philip weld right across here.
Okay.
What you want to do is, I'll do a little bit over it. I'll do it and show you. Huh? What? Aim, get it right in here, alright? Your helmet down. Yep. Try to continue that way.
Hold on, let me get behind you guys.
It's not going to burn you.
How do I hold it?
Hold it like this. Just want to hit it like this. Alright, we got the trigger. You don't see the trigger right here?
Yeah.
That's the trigger, alright? Alright, so here. Put your helmet down. Go ahead. You're going to hold this thing here like this. Go ahead, do it. Go ahead. Okay.
Go right in here like this. You're on your own. That's both pieces, that's it. Okay, you got it. Nice. Good job. A little bit more on the bottom. That's it. Good job, Charlie. So stay right on it.
Alright. Look at that nice weld. Nice weld. Woo! This is on 14 gauge cold roll steel, alright? Very good, huh?
Yeah.
I'm impressed. You did the best. Alright, I want you to do the other side. Alright. I'll do this side. Same thing.
Alright.
Let's do another one here. Let's do another one right here.
Alright.
Not bad.
Stop hitting on me when I'm welding. I'm gonna hurt myself.
How you gonna hurt yourself?
I don't know, I'm just saying. I've seen weirder happen to my dad.
Oh, come on. Not with it. This is the little 110 welder.
Well, I don't know what it is, but
Something
okay.
you can use right in your garage at home when you're doing body work. Get right in there. Get closer now. Get closer.
Go?
Yeah, go ahead.
Cheers.
Got it? Gotta get closer. Go ahead. Squeeze it. Want to be right in there like this. Just a little bit this way like that. All right, like that. That's it. That's it. Go right in there. You got it. Closer. That's it. That's it. There you go. Get it right in between. You're going to catch both pieces together. You got a good line going there. That's not bad. Alright, take a look. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Now what?
Do the other side and you're done. And we're done for today, I think.
Now. Okay.
Alright. That's not going to break either. It's a good sound weld. Alright, that's a good. Lean right into it. Put your elbow, put that elbow on the table. There you go. Get closer though. You got to get real close. Push it right in there.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yep.
There you go. You alright? Yeah.
Not a bad weld, see? Nice.
Wow.
Look at the bottom. Holy shit.
Good. Alright, we're gonna pick up.